guys, welcome back to my channel, just Lina's Wonderland. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today I'm going to show you my Cookie's doghouse, and this doghouse is really pretty. I just love this doghouse, and I'm so excited to give you a short tour of Cookie's doghouse, and she's also gonna talk with you for some time. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. But before starting this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Guys, this is our cookie dog house, and it looks really pretty, and it is very pretty. So let's give you a look of this little dog house. In the starting, we get to see a little Cookie. Say hi, Cookie. Hi. And we also get to see her favorite toy, which is a bunny. Oh, here's her first room, in which she used to play, and here's her one computer, and she can play in this computer. She can order whatever she wants to eat from out, and this is a translator computer. It can also translate whatever she said in human language. Like, I'm gonna on the translator. Pow pow pow. Hello. Wow, it's incredible. And if you'll see properly, you could also see Cookie with her best friend Luna. And this is her favorite cookies, as Cookie really likes cookies. So here you go. Okay, Cookie, it seems that you look so dirty. Isn't it? You are looking so dirty. Let's go and have fun looking in your bathroom. Whoop! Oh, you're having fun in shower. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, you're splashing water. My God, Cookie, don't splash water on me. Whoop, whoop. Oh, you're splashing water. I'll not talk to you if you'll do like this, Cookie. Next, it is a really beautiful shower room, and with a bow in her tub. Oh no, bad, don't see. Okay, I'll show you. Here are her friends. My God, you don't know how to flush, Cookie. I have to flush. Oh my goodness. Yuck, flush. Okay, finally. Let's go see you another rooms. This one was dirty. Oh, this is your favorite room, as you get to eat lots of food. There are many food items for Cookie, like this dog food, marshmallows, and there's something water, Sakura water, etc. Let's show. No. What do you want to drink or eat, Cookie? No. Okay. No, you don't want to eat marshmallows? Oh my God. It's very bad, Cookie. Yes. Cookie likes chocolate milk. Just yummy. Where did my pack go? Oh no, Cookie. For some reason your bag is not here. We will definitely find the Cookie's bag and show you. Children, bye.